I was faked by your sweet smile, deceived by your angelic face. Though I'm a bit afraid, I took the risk on laying my cards and teach myself to trust again. I get hooked because I saw the reflections of my dreams on you. So I ignore the mixed signals and red flags and continue myself on trusting you. As I play back the scenarios and playing the songs of why, what you have seen is my new self, the version of me that's just starting to evolve and change. But you keep putting a question mark on my past that I already put an end. I don't know if sorry or apology is the right gesture or words, but I think I have offended you in some ways by simply being myself. So when I was caught in difficult situation, without a doubt I asked you for help, but instead of protecting me, you let me down in your words, and without a doubt, you don't hesitate to pull me down in a trap. This is the most unforgettable scenario in my life, an unexpected betrayal that served as my lesson for life. As I get out from the trap, here you are again, acting as if you really want to reach out and really care. I am okay now, I forgive you, but I cannot forget how you have shown me your true self. I hope you can respect me as I decide to put an end to what I thought a genuine friendship. That's why I choose to protect my peace and create my own space. Now I'm walking away and choose to kiss you goodbye.